Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this piece for the second time. The first time that I shared this with you, it did not have the knobs and it did not have the supports. So the first time that I shared it with you was mainly for the idea that I would like to use this as Santa's dresser for his new duplex. Now what I did was I added these buttons that I got at my favorite thrift store, all of them for 50 cents. And look at how well they worked. I used crazy glue to get them on there. And I also added some popsicle sticks, which are going to serve as the supports for any piece that I add to this. This doesn't have to be just a Christmas piece, a holiday piece. So in this case, because it is Santa's dresser, I will add this beautiful holiday mirror that I have. So this is going to be his dresser. And you'll see it again when I finish Santa's duplex for 2024. I am also going to use my decorative pads. I'm going to go through them and see if I find a nice pattern to place right on top to add to it. So you'll see the finished dresser when you see the duplex. So I hope that you stay tuned for it. I hope that you like this idea. And thank you so much for watching.